Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video we will talk about some very interesting thing in the KDE Plasma. Now you know probably that recently KDE Plasma 6.7 has been released. And if you are using some rolling release distribution, that is Arch Linux or the Cachyos, yes, or the Fedora Linux, then probably you are getting it right now. That means if you update your distribution, then you should get the KDE version 6.7.1. Yes, one bug fix release is also there. Now this KDE Plasma release is huge, and besides all the things, one thing is added in this release, and that is the Oxygen theme. Yes, the Oxygen theme in the KDE Plasma was the default back in the days in the KDE 4. Yes, and now this Oxygen theme is back in the KDE Plasma 6.7. And this is very much good news. If you used to use that theme in the KDE 4 days, you will probably know that how amazing it was. So in this video, we will talk about that how you can install this new Oxygen theme that is compatible with the Plasma version 6.7 and how you can use it, you can configure it. Okay, so stick to this video because this video will be very much enjoyable. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our main topic today. Well, now currently I am running Fedora 44 with the KDE desktop environment, especially KDE 6.7.1. Yes, the latest version according to the date, you can see 6.7.1, right? And now how you can install the Oxygen theme. So for that you need to install some packages, and that is called Plasma Oxygen. Sudo dnf install Plasma Oxygen. Yes, this thing you have to install, and you can see that Plasma Oxygen 6.7.1 version is already installed. Okay, some dependencies will be installed automatically, and if you are in Cachyos, suppose this is the most popular Arch based distribution in current days, so you have to open up the Shelly software manager, and that is developed by Cachyos team, and there you have to install some packages related to the Oxygen, like Oxygen theme and Oxygen icon, Oxygen cursor themes and Oxygen icon themes. Okay, so all these things you have to install in the Cachyos, then you are able to install. Now after installing the Plasma Oxygen theme, now what you will get in the settings, you see that. Now this is the system setting of the KDE desktop environment, and you have to go to the global theme, and here you will get 3 global themes after installing this Oxygen package. What? One is the Air. This is the lighter version of Oxygen theme, something in the lighter version, in the light theme, right? And these are the Oxygen Light and Oxygen Dark. So 3 global themes you will get. Now first of all, let's see the Air theme. So just click apply. Well, this is the Air theme, you can see, and these are the window buttons you can see here. This is the Oxygen I can remember the KDE 4 days, and also the Oxygen icon theme, you can see these are the Oxygen icon theme, and all the icons you can see. This is very much nostalgic, you can feel, and it looks really well, and some transparency effects you can see. Very, very polished. So the Oxygen theme implementation in the KDE desktop is really amazing, especially for the KDE 6. And suppose you just change the wallpaper. Suppose I am giving the wallpaper this, and now see the translucency effect, the glossy effect. It's amazing, right? Yet yes, it feels really right. and eye-catching. And now let's see that what are the other themes. And this is the oxygen light theme. So just click apply. Well, now here the panel remains dark and glossy, you can see, and the menu is also dark and glossy. But the window decorations, the windows are in light. But when you apply the oxygen dark theme, all things will be dark. Oxygen dark theme. Apply it. Yes. It's a very smooth change, you can see. So all things turns dark. And this is the glossy window effects are really amazing. So this is the oxygen dark theme. Very amazing. I really love this oxygen theme. Now, in the KDE Plasma 6.7, some features are introduced and you can use those things. Now, very interesting thing, just see. Now, this automatic changing of themes in the day and night you can set. Now, for the day, I will use the air theme, nice, right? So, air. And in the night, I want to use the oxygen dark theme. Okay, so you just set it and then hit apply. Now here you just come here in the panel and click the brightness icon, and here you can see you can change the brightness of the screen from here, and here it is theme changing, the shortcut for the theme change, the light and dark mode. Now you can see currently I'm in dark mode, and if I click here, so it will switch to the air theme, right? So just click here and it is done. Oh my god, so beautiful, so elegant. and again you can switch to the oxygen dark theme, just hit the toggle button. How easy it is. So that's all for the current video, and I hope the KDE desktop environment, you already know it is the best and most customizable desktop environment currently in the world, and very much polished with the Wayland session. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the like button. This will motivate me. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.